Euphoria Season 3 is finally out and I'm trying to recreate as many looks as possible with today this Cassie doggy look. I'm starting out with the eyebrows. I'm using a medium brown eyebrow pencil and I'm gonna fill them in a little bit differently than I normally would. I'm putting a lot of color on top of the arch because her eyebrows are a bit more arched than mine are. And then I'm grabbing a concealer and I'm gonna carve out my brows so the contrast between my skin and my brows is a little bit more harsh. Then I'm also grabbing an eyebrow gel to really set that arch in place. This one is really nice, it really sticks down. Then we're moving on to the eyes. I'm using this kind of pastel peachy palette. I'm grabbing this peachy shade on a fluffy brush and I'm applying that to the crease of my eye. Then I'm grabbing this brown shade on a very small dense brush and I'm applying that to the outer corner and slowly dragging that into the crease as well. Grabbing this light pinky shade on my finger and I'm applying that to the middle of my eyelid. This really accentuates the doe eye effect. Finally, I'm grabbing this silver glitter shade on a flat brush but also on my fingers. And I'm applying that to my brow bone, to the middle of my lid where I previously put the pink color. And also a little bit on my inner corner. Then I'm grabbing a brown eye pencil and I'm gonna be outlining my eyes. On the bottom, I'm not putting it on my waterline, but right underneath it, where the eyelashes start. And on the top, I'm really putting it in my waterline, like really getting into the eye. Then I'm grabbing a brown mascara instead of a black one because I want the lashes and the eyeliner to look like one solid unit. And I'm heating up my eyelash curler with a lighter. Beware that you don't burn yourself though. Then I'm curling my lashes and applying the mascara. I'm applying it to both the top and the bottom lashes and I'm also doing quite a few coats. Then I'm grabbing this sticky primer because I'm gonna be putting on a lot of layers of makeup and this really makes it stick. We're following that with my favorite matte foundation. I'm applying that all over using a beauty blender. I'm trying to avoid the nose area because she has a few freckles there and I really want my freckles to shine through the foundation, so I'm not putting on too much on my nose. Then I'm gonna be grabbing a concealer just to cover up a few spots that need a little bit more attention, like some pimples, some redness, and also quite a lot under the eye to really make that skin flawless. Then I'm gonna be setting it all down with this pink loose powder. And a trick to make your powder look really natural is to put it on the powder puff and then dab it off on your hand before you put it on your face. That way you get as little powder on your face as possible while still looking good. Then I'm using this very light bronzer, which is very similar to my skin tone. I just didn't want to do any crazy sharp contouring or anything. I just really wanted to accentuate the features that I've already got going on. And then I'm using this pink blush, and don't be shy, use a lot. I'm putting it on the apples of my cheeks and it really helps if you make like really exaggerated like smiling face, because then you can see where the apples of your cheeks are. And also I'm putting everything that's left on my brush on my nose and on my chin and on my forehead to make it a bit more evened out. Then I'm topping it off with this pink highlighter stick and I'm applying that on my cheekbones, a little bit above the eye, above the eyebrow, on the nose, pretty much everywhere. Then I'm gonna be drawing on the little doggy nose, which I'm using the same eyeliner pencil as before. And it's basically just a heart shape filled in. You're not seeing this on camera, but I'm also using a concealer brush to just kind of sharpen those edges up. Then it's time for the lip combo. I found it very hard to really see which shade it is in the pictures, but I think it is like a warm brown lip liner, and I'm really harshly lining those lips, not blending it too much. And then I'm topping that off with a very neutral brownish gloss with like a speck of sparkles, and I'm really lathering that on. And then for the final step, I'm locking it all in with this glue setting spray. And this is the final look. I was so unsure if I could do this like properly, but I'm really happy with it. Please leave a comment which look you want the tutorial for next. Bye bye, I love you.